In my last video, many of you asked how we can start this or how we can make it happen. So here I am to show you exactly that. Today, we're diving deep into something that can genuinely change your financial journey, how to build an affiliate marketing website from scratch in 2025. No fake promises, no exaggerated claims, just real steps, real methods, and real results. Because here's the truth, affiliate marketing isn't dead, it's evolving, and the people who adapt with the right strategy are the ones who'll keep earning. So if you've ever wondered, can I really make money online without selling my own product? The answer is yes, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how. Part 1, what affiliate marketing really is. Let's begin with something most people skip: understanding the foundation. Affiliate marketing is not some secret scheme or a trick to make overnight money. It's a simple business model where you promote someone else's product or service, and when a person buys through your link, you get a commission. Think of it like this. You recommend a product to a friend, they buy it, and the company thanks you with a small reward. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. The beauty is, you don't have to create or ship anything. Your job is simply to connect people with what they already need. And in 2025, affiliate marketing is bigger than ever. Why? Because everything has gone digital. People trust reviews, blogs, and tutorials more than ads. That's where you come in. Your website becomes the bridge between the product and the buyer. Part 2, the plan before you build. Before you even buy a domain, you need a plan. Ask yourself, what's your niche? Don't just pick something random like tech or beauty. Go one level deeper. For example, instead of fitness, go for home workout routines for beginners. Instead of tech, focus on budget gadgets for students. Instead of beauty, go for skincare for sensitive skin. Why? Because when you narrow your focus, you attract the right audience, people who are more likely to click your affiliate links and actually buy. Once you've chosen your niche, research affiliate programs in that area. Some great starting points include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Impact, or even direct company partnerships. Look for products that people already search for, online things that solve real problems. Remember, your job is not to sell, it's to help. Every successful affiliate marketer starts by solving a problem better than others. Part 3, building the website. Now, let's build your digital home, your affiliate website. You'll need 3 things: a domain name, something short, memorable, and niche focused. A hosting provider, you can use any reliable one, doesn't have to be expensive. A content management system, CMS, like WordPress. Once your domain and hosting are connected, install WordPress, it's free and user-friendly. Choose a clean, responsive theme. There are tons of free ones. Avoid fancy designs that distract. Simplicity builds trust. Then, install a few essential plugins, SEO tools, a caching plugin for speed, and maybe an affiliate link manager to keep your links organized. Your goal here isn't to make your website look flashy, it's to make it clear, helpful, and fast. Visitors should instantly understand what your site is about and find what they're looking for. Part 4, the power of content. Now comes the most important part: content. Because in affiliate marketing, content is your sales team. But here's what most people get wrong. They chase trends or copy competitors. Don't do that. Instead, focus on content that educates, solves problems, and naturally includes affiliate links. You can create product reviews, honest and detailed, comparison posts, product A versus product B, how-to guides, step-by-step tutorials, listicles, top 10 tools for freelancers in 2025. Each of these types of posts serves a purpose to build trust and guide the reader toward a product that helps them. Bankrate, for example, or the Penny Hoarder is another one, and these are affiliate marketing websites that are making quite literally tens of millions, or in some cases hundreds of millions of dollars, by just creating blog articles that people will search. They'll find them on Google, or maybe they'll find those blog articles from Instagram, or even like from watching a YouTube video or a TikTok. And they end up reading that article and then purchasing things through those affiliate links that are embedded inside of those affiliate articles, right? So here's, talking about Cash App and all these different things. I don't know if they actually have an affiliate link in this specific article, but I'm just giving some examples here. Okay, let's talk about how to actually build your site. This is why you came here for this video. And here's where AI comes in. You can use AI tools to assist you with keyword research, grammar polishing, or headline ideas. But remember, AI is a helper, not a replacement. Part 5, traffic, the lifeblood. Now that your website looks great and has solid content, you need traffic, people who actually visit it. You can't earn without visitors, and you can't get visitors without visibility. There are 3 main ways to drive traffic in 2025. Search engine optimization, SEO. Write content around keywords your audience actually searches for. Use free tools like Google Keyword Planner or Uber Suggest. Optimize your titles, headings, and meta descriptions. Social media promotion. Share your posts on platforms like Pinterest, X, formerly Twitter, Instagram, or even TikTok. Don't spam links. Share insights, value, and short tips to attract curiosity. Email marketing. From day one, collect emails. Offer something small for free, like a mini guide or checklist. That list becomes your long-term asset because even if social platforms change, your email subscribers stay yours. The key to long-term growth is consistency. One great article won't make you rich, but 50 helpful ones will make you unstoppable. Part 6. Making money the right way. Okay, so you have the content, the traffic, and the links. How do you make money? Each time a visitor clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The rates vary. Sometimes it's 5%, sometimes 50%, depending on the product and platform. But here's a golden rule. Never recommend something you wouldn't personally use or trust. Short-term tricks might earn you a few bucks, but honesty builds a brand that lasts.
For how to build our website. This is a very important step here. So we can either use WordPress and basically custom build this site ourselves, or we can use the Hosting Your Website Builder. Now, they launched this Hosting Your Website Builder at least a year or two ago, and it's really pretty great. So I think what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to use the Hosting Your Website Builder. This basically, they use AI where you will describe your website, what you're looking for, and then the Hosting Your Website Builder will create it for you. And then from there, you can just fill things in, you can change things up, but it helps get a basic setup for your website so you don't have to do really much heavy lifting. And I would say that overall, if you're using traditional WordPress and you're building this from scratch, you don't have to code, but it's probably going to take you all day at least to get a decent looking website. Whereas the Hosting Your Website Builder, you can probably get a pretty good looking website in more like 20 minutes or 30 minutes. So there's a big difference there.
Focus on building a site that people bookmark, return to, and share. That's how you create recurring income, not by chasing every new shiny tool that appears. And over time, your site starts compounding. Older articles keep getting traffic, old links keep generating sales, and your earnings become more stable month after month. Part 7. Scaling it up. Once your first site starts bringing results, even $5 or $10 a day, don't stop. That's proof it works. Now, scale. You can do that by expanding your content to cover more sub-niches, adding a YouTube channel that reviews your niche products, collaborating with small brands for exclusive deals, building an email funnel that nurtures readers into repeat buyers. Remember, affiliate marketing isn't about luck. It's about strategy, patience, and smart execution. If you stay consistent for 3 to 6 months publishing regularly, optimizing and learning, you'll see results. Now, if you've made it this far, here's the truth. You don't need thousands of dollars to start affiliate marketing. What you need is direction, discipline, and the willingness to learn as you go. You can start with minimal investment, a simple domain, basic hosting, and your time. And over time, that small step can turn into something much bigger. Affiliate marketing in 2025 is not about hype. It's about helping people make smarter choices online. The more value you provide, the more you earn. So that's how you build an affiliate marketing website from scratch in 2025, step by step, realistically, and without falling for fake shortcuts. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to AI Explorer, and turn on the bell so you never miss a deep dive like this again. And let me ask you, what niche are you planning to start your affiliate site in? Drop it down in the comments. I might just make my next tutorial about your idea, because this is AI Explorer, and here we don't just talk about making money online, we build systems that actually work.